channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really good savory muffins with some bacon, cheddar cheese, and Gouda cheese. The first thing you want to do is you're going to get 2 cups of flour. And I am using gluten-free flour, but you don't have to. We need a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We need a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put some fresh ground pepper in. We're going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you're also going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of some onion powder, 2 tablespoons of chives. We're just going to mix our dry ingredients together. And then you're going to put 2 eggs into your mixture. Now I did make 2 flaxseed eggs because my husband can't have eggs in his muffins. So you can replace your egg with flaxseed egg. It's just 1 tablespoon to 4 tablespoons of water. So I did 2 eggs, so I had to do 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to 8 tablespoons of water. But if you're not allergic to eggs, you can just go ahead and use 2 eggs. Pour that in. You need 1/4 of a cup of oil. We just need 3/4 cup of milk. Now, if you're using a flaxseed egg, sometimes your mixture will not turn out very wet like mine did. So the way that you fix that, if you're using regular eggs, it probably would have worked perfect. You just put a little bit more of milk in, and then that fixes it. There we go. Now, what I did do is I sauteed a whole slab of bacon, and I cut up 1 small jalapeno, and I sauteed that with the jalapenos. We're going to put that in. I also have 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. You can use regular cheddar cheese, but this is vegan cheddar cheese. And then I also have 1/2 cup of Gouda, and this is a vegan Gouda cheese. You can use regular Gouda cheese if you're not vegan. If you don't have to be dairy free. Stir this all together. I pre-lined the muffin tin, and I'm just going to spray it with some cooking spray. Now we're just going to fill each muffin tin. And there we go. We're going to pop them in the oven, and we're going to heat them at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Good. I hope you enjoy these savory muffins. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.